Hey all, good evening. So now it is getting close to 4. I'm going to show you something exciting. From this particular place, Nagarhole, it is just 35 kilometers. This place is around 210 kilometers, so that is from Bangalore. I'll show you the beauty here. So with the family members here, so that is on a Sunday. I'll show you the pleasantness here. It is massive. If we happen to spend a little time here, we'll get to see a lot of birds and see the beauty. A small house there, and here we have another beauty. My goodness, did you look at that? Fantabulous. The nature's beauty has to be appreciated because we all live in the nature and we are from nature. Wow, and look at the bird here. Fantabulous. You gotta be lucky, right, to see all this kind of view. So that is on a weekend. Massive. Outstanding it is. Do you look at the bird? It is getting a little closer. Finally it sat. Did you see the bird here? So that is pleasantness.